Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a code repository on GitHub. So go to github.com, log in, and then here on the left side, you should see all of your projects. We're going to go ahead and delete this project called Demo2. So once we click on it, we click on Settings, and then we scroll all the way down to where it says Delete this repository. Click on the red button, and then type in the name of your account followed by a forward slash and then the name of the project. So as it says here, type this whole thing and then press the red button, and then that's it. You've deleted the code repository. If I click on the home button, you'll see that it won't show up here on the left side anymore. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.